Гранату шут, сюда, старшей! Нет, пошли!
Hi guys, I'm Sead, welcome back to Warthog Defense. The attacks on Russian refineries and plants are continuing, and now the target is Moscow area. It's almost unbelievable that the allegedly mighty Russia can't do anything to stop relentless Ukrainian attacks on its own territory. Additionally, we have an excellent battle video from the Serebryansky forest, where Azov fighters captured Russian positions.
A MiG plant on Leningradsky Avenue in Moscow is allegedly on fire, Russian telegram channels report. According to preliminary data, the fire broke out in a reconstructed workshop attached to the plant's operating building. In particular, the outbreak occurred on the second and third floors of the building. The cause of the fire is still unknown. Staff was evacuated. As of now, the open fire has reportedly been put out, but the roof continues to smolder. Russian telegram channels. Overnight in Moscow, there was a powerful fire in the area of the Gazprom Nafta refinery. Cause unknown, but we can guess. Lately, Ukraine has been attacking Russian refineries more active. Rather significant damage by a Ukrainian FPV to a Russian car. Passengers allegedly managed to get out.
Ну вот, короче, чёт капот осталось, капот сразу улетел. Фары повылетали, что это? Ну вот она, до сих пор дымит. Вот они, короче, два автомата наших остались, больше здесь ничего нет. Ну, чуть крышу помяло.
Serebryansky forest victory, Azov's strategic advance. Significant progress in the Serebryansky forest as Azov fighters have penetrated the enemy's defenses, reclaiming vast areas. This forest has been one of the most contested fronts for a long time, witnessing relentless battles day and night. Until now, there hasn't been an advance of this magnitude throughout the entire full-scale invasion. To put it into perspective, Azov has pushed forward more than 1.5 kilometers, a monumental feat under extremely challenging conditions, showcasing the pinnacle of military strategy and prowess. Honor. This operation demonstrating skill, strategy, and the relentless spirit of Azov fighters.
Гранату шут, сюда, старшей! Нет, пошли! Кидай, кидай, подожди! Шуля, держи, держи! Держи вход, держи вход! Вход держи! Есть! Граната летит! Кидаю! Есть! Кидай! Есть! Держу! Заходим, чуть. Пойдем. Я сзади.
I just had nowhere to live. This was the motivation of a captured Russian who signed the contract to come to Ukraine and kill Ukrainians.
Вы добровольцем поехали?
Контракт.
А что, какая мотивация была?
Нет, просто жить негде было.
Aerial reconnaissance of the 97th Separate Mechanized Battalion of the 60th Brigade behind the Russians in the woods, 2 kilometers from the village of Makak. The video gives an idea of the presence of the enemy in this direction. We didn't start the war in Ukraine. Russian UN Representative Vasily Nebenzia. Thankful to Stephen Socker from the BBC for showing Nebenzia for who he is. That is how interviews are done.
Do you also believe that annexing territory taken by military force and occupied by military force is illegal under international law?
There was a referendum on these territories where people
No,
voted.
I'm sorry, well, that referendum wasn't taken seriously by anybody
There was
as
a
the conflict was continuing and most people were
besides the
displaced.
territorial integrity, there is a principle of self-determination.
See, you accuse the West, Mr. Ambassador, of double standards, and you compare the reaction and response to Ukraine with that we've seen toward Israel and its occupation in the West Bank, and as many people still see it, the occupation in Gaza. You cry hypocrisy, double standard. Isn't there a basic double standard on Russia's part? Russia refuses to recognize, for example, Israel's annexation of East Jerusalem and the Golan Heights because you say it's clearly illegal under international law. In what world can your annexation of 4 regions of Ukraine therefore be legal?
We didn't start that war. The war started.
Just answer my question.
The war started in 2014 when Ukrainians,
Mr. Ambassador,
when
how
Kiev
can
regime
it be
started
legal?
the anti-terrorist
How
operation
can it be
in
legal?
Donbass,
You know it cannot be legal under your own...
shelling it for 8 years with the tacit approval of the West, which recently confessed that it never wanted to implement the Minsk agreements, which were needed only for the cover-up of Kiev. And we came to end it. And in the process, the people of Donbass, Donetsk, Kherson, and Zaporozhye just made their will known, and that was it.
You know, Mr. Ambassador, because you're a veteran of the UN and a veteran diplomat, you know that only a handful of countries, and I can list them, Syria, North Korea, I think maybe Belarus and Nicaragua as well, recognize Russia's annexation of Ukrainian territory. Why do you think the rest of the world refuses?
What do you mean by the rest of the world? The West is not the rest of the world.
No, actually,
Because there is a global
I mean all
South.
but a handful of countries, Syria, North Korea, Belarus, refuse to accept Putin's worldview.
Thank you for watching. We had another update on Ukrainian situation. Stay with Warthog Defense. Comment, like, subscribe, become our member, and stay strong.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.